It's a beautiful day to go to work. Alright, so before I leave the house, let's do a list check. Let's see. All the lights are turned off. Nothing's on the stove, and all the burner is turned off. Nothing is charging, okay. No battery charging, and no cell phone is charging. Alright, so let's make sure that I got everything before I leave the house. Got my wallet, my cell phone, and my key. Do not want to get locked out of the house. Did I turn off the stove? I'm not sure. Yeah, I did. I remember now. I have looked to the stove. All the lights were off. But wait, where's my cell phone? I distinctly remember that I grabbed it and put in my pocket. Oh no, can't find it. It's not my pocket. Now I gotta go back to home and get the cell phone. I probably left it there.